to the test. Hello, welcome back to another episode of Put It to the Test. And today we are finally off work and managed to squeeze in some time for cycling. Hello, Extreme Adam again. Ding. We are heading to bukitkiara.
Go send it.
Going to send it. You gnarly dude. As you can see, my eye shadow is already on and I did my brows. I bought a very special eyeliner this week, all for you guys. No, I just did a poll on Instagram and then this was the top requested and I managed to find it in Sephora. So without further ado, let's check it out what we have. Entering my favorite tunnel of all time. That's basically the only tunnel that I know. So let's have a look at what we have today. I have a few stationaries with me. And I'm using a highlighter. Woohoo! I'm just kidding. It's not a highlighter, but it's so cute. It's from Sephora with a collab with STABILO. And it's actually a really, really cute eyeliner. Let me just show you how it's like. It's exactly like a highlighter. Woohoo! Makes me so excited. I'm not usually a fan of this kind of tip. That's what she said. But I've tried it once. It lasts pretty well during the working days, and application wise I'm still getting used to it. It's not as soft and brushy. Like if you want a really nice wing and with a very acute angle, this is actually a very nice one to apply. This is 45 ringgit. It's quite inexpensive. It's like the Kiss Me one that I get. So yeah, I'm gonna apply it right now and we'll see how it goes. Side note, what do you think if one day I try to apply this onto my eyes like a normal eyeliner?
Oh hell no. That's just stupid.
You know what's stupid?
What?
You are. Oh my god, this is so not easy to apply. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this. It's so crooked. It's good to have you around. You make me feel brand new. It's okay, we're just gonna put it on my eyes and sweat it over it, all over it, and we'll see what happens. Right now I'm gonna put my bikes down and then we will try put it to the test. Put it to the test. Got to do my usual time count today. I think we did like a is it 20 minutes 15 minutes climb up, more or less, yeah. And right now the time, I don't have my watch with me today, the time right now is 4 p.m. and ding ding up here. So far so good, everything's fine. It's holding up really well. Pretty excited to see what happens later. We're in the jungle. Beautiful, beautiful jungle. Adam just fell. And the time is 4:29. Oops. Looks alright to me. We gotta continue shooting. So it's 4:46. I think it's about 45 minutes after riding, and Adam is still halfway shooting. I'm so sorry. He just had a crash. And oh, are you okay? You need help?
It's quite slippery.
Okay, let me help you first. Let me see. I have a mirror. Oh. At first it looks really like crooked and stuff, but then now it's like not too bad. Can you see that? I have a single eyelid and a double eyelid, so drawing eyeliner has been a pain, and it's really a skill to master after all these years of trying out. And I can't draw many types of eyeliner because it will look like I do not have one eyeliner here, because it will go in like zoop zoop zoop. And see you in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and we're gonna write more, so yeah. Whew. So we've got to the bottom of Bukitkiara, and it's 5:41, so I think it's 2 hours approximately from where we started. No, 1 hour and 40 minutes, I don't know. So honestly, I am very impressed. It's really holding up very well, but I do feel like it's coming off slowly if I keep cycling or keep sweating. Oh my gosh, as you can see, it gone! Price point and the application and the durability, I think overall I'll give this a 6.5, maybe, just because it's not really my favorite type of eyeliner, but I do really like the color though. You know what, I changed my mind, make it 7. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you to those who have suggested. Finally, keep suggesting. If I have the budget, I will buy it. If I don't, you can sponsor me. Overall, I really do like this eyeliner. I think it's a pretty good eyeliner. And scene.